Hello everyone, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. To all my viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for supporting my channel by watching my premiere every day. So belated happy Easter to everyone. I hope everyone is okay. I have here a very simple recipe, guys. This is a beefsteak added with potatoes, bell pepper, and carrots with mushrooms. First, you have to clean your beefsteak. This is a steak slice. I just wash it with vinegar and salt in order to remove the stinky smell. Then set aside. Then prepare all the vegetables, slice them, and the carrots, potatoes, bell peppers, slice it and put it in the separate plates. Then slice onions and garlic. Stir fry the onions and garlic in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then after that, you have to add the sliced beef, stir fry, and season it with garlic powder, paprika powder, chili powder, black pepper, and add beef bouillon or beef powder. Then add oyster sauce if you have oyster sauce, and soy sauce. Okay, stir them all together and let the meat to cook. And when it is already soft, this meat, look at this, very thin, and then you can add the potatoes, cook them together until become soft, and add the carrots and the mushrooms. Look at this. And add 1 cup or 2 cups of boiling water so that everything will be dissolved and the potatoes will be cooked. So that is why we need to add water also. Then when it is already cooked, you can add your green onions and the bell pepper. So this is it, guys. So I added the mushrooms in can. This one, this is ready to cook, and just simply stir them, mix them all together like this. Look at this. And now this is ready to be served. You can serve this one with plain rice or with bread or toasted bread, any kind of bread. Okay, so this is my beefsteak, guys. If you want to add more salt or soy sauce so that it becomes more little bit brownish or little bit darker, so it's up to you. Okay, so this is a very simple beefsteak with veges, potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, and bell pepper with green onions. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you like this simple recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my new recipes, and don't forget to watch my premiere every day. So to all those who are watching every day, thank you so much. I hope to see you again, guys, in my next vlog. Bye-bye. Thank you, terima kasih. Paresto puli, syukran jazilan, buhat-buhat syukriya. Maraming salamat, daghang salamat, merci beaucoup, dangsud. Bidang, muchas gracias, amigas, amigos. Vamos comer. So this is just a very simple beefsteak with vegetables. This is a very healthy diet food. So if you are in diet, if this is enough for you, this is ideal for you with veggies, potatoes, carrots, and a portion of meat. This is ideal for the diabetic and high blood person. So don't eat too much rice, because rice is not good for the diabetic person. I am cooking like this way because I am a diabetic and I used to eat more vegetables. I eat only rice sometimes because I am already diabetic, guys. So if you are diabetic or if you don't want to be diabetic, just follow this recipe.